Data models in DBMS. What is a data model or defined data model? It defines the data elements and the relationships between the data elements. Data models are used to show the data is stored, connected, accessed, and updated in the database management system. And by using these data models, we can analyze the data and we can analyze the relationship between different tables. And here we are going to represent the data models by using some symbols. And by using these symbols, if we draw the data models, and then it is easy for members of the organization and they can communicate and understand it easily. We have main 4 models. These are the important models for database management systems. First one is hierarchical model, network model, relational model, ER model. So now we will discuss about hierarchical model. Hierarchical model is like a tree structure. It follows the root and subtrees mechanism, extends by using subtrees. So again I am going to define the hierarchical model organizes the data in the hierarchical tree structure. It starts from the root node which has a root data and it expands from a root node and adding child node to the parent node. And this model is also easy for representing the sum of the real world relationships like food receipts, site maps of a websites, etc. So here I took a simple example from a shoe organization. Just you observe the picture here from shoes organization. We have we are manufacturing 2 types of shoes. One is for men's and one is for women's. And again, men's we have sports and sneakers, and for women's high heels and bellies. So here you there is a parent node shoes and 2 childs, men's and women's. And here every child has one parent and women's also having one parent, but this parent has 2 children. So just try to understand this relation. And again, men's is a subtree. We have 2 child nodes, or we can say because we are not extending from the sports and sneakers. So here these are the leaf nodes, sports and sneakers. Men's had 2 children and women's we have 2 children, high heels and bellies. So here we are going to stop the process. So from here onwards we are not extending the tree. Okay, but here you can see it. The hierarchical database model establishes the cardinality, that is one-to-many cardinality. So here from child node to parent node, one relationship, and parent to child node, many relationships. So from this, what we understand, so it gives one-to-many relationship. So this is a small example, and next we will discuss about the features of hierarchical model, one-to-many relationship, parent-child relationship, deletion problem, pointers. One-to-many relationship, the data here is organized in a tree-like structure where the one-to-many relationship is between the data types. Also, there can be only one path from parent to any node. This is very important point. There can be only one path from parent to any node. So just you observe from this picture, if you want to reach the leaf node high heels, so we can traverse from shoes to women's and women's to high heels. So this is the only one path we can traverse. So here from this picture we cannot traverse by using any other path. Parent-child relationship. Each child node has parent node, but a parent node can have more than one child. Multiple parents are not allowed. All the childs with single parent only. So this is also a feature of hierarchical model. The deletion problem. Okay, whenever you delete the parent node, automatically the child node is also deleted. Pointers. Pointers are used to link the parent node with the child node and are used to navigate between the stored data. So here example, in the above example, shoe node points to the two other nodes, women shoes node and men shoes node. So whenever pointers we are using to link the parent node with the child node, easy to navigate from the parent to child node. What are the advantages of hierarchical model? It is a very simple and fast to traverse through a tree-like structure, and we can traverse easily from parent node to child node. Any change in the parent node automatically reflected in the child node also. Whenever you are going to change the value of parent node, it will updated immediately in child nodes itself. So based on this, we can say the integrity of the data is maintained. Disadvantages: complex relationships are not supported as it does not support more than one parent of the child node. So if we have some complex relationship where a child node needs to have two parent node, then that cannot be represented using this model. So here only each child has a single parent. So in hierarchical model, it will not allow multiple parents. So here complex relationships are not supported. So that means if we want to many too many cardinality, it is not possible. We want to make many relationship with one entity with another entity, then it is very difficult. Only one to many is possible. So that's why complex relationships are not supported. If a parent node is deleted, then child node is also automatically deleted. So whenever we don't want the parent node value, so if you are going to delete means automatically the corresponding child nodes, related child nodes all automatically deleted. These are the disadvantages.